Ha 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 ha. I have an idea before of torturing Chloe.
Create a torture scene for Chloe, please, do it now. Right now.
Where's the rainbow pandas? What is that noise?
Holy. That's the rainbow pandas. They are going to save Chloe before to make a torture machine. Rory, do something.
Don't worry, Sandra. I have our idea. Guardians.
Rainbow Pandas, you are not welcome at Rory's castle.